Namaste students, welcome to our social science class. In the previous class we learned about the national symbols. Today we are going to learn about the physical features of India. India is a vast country with various physical features. Today we will learn about the physical features of India. Mountains, plateaus, rivers, plains, deserts and islands are examples of physical features naturally formed on Earth's surface. The keywords that we are going to learn are landform, a natural shape on Earth's surface such as a mountain or an island; coastal plains, areas of land lying along the sea or ocean; physical features, natural features on Earth's surface like mountains and rivers. Let us observe these pictures. So, in the first picture, you can see the mountains. Picture 1 shows mountains. These mountains are covered with snow. In the second picture, you can see the land covered with green grass, crops and trees. So these are plains. In the third picture we can see the desert. Desert is covered with sand. In the fourth picture we can see the plateaus. In the fifth picture you can see these are plains, coastal plains. You can see the sea or ocean next to the land. In the sixth picture you can see the land is surrounded by water on all the sides, so we call it an island, right? So we have seen these landforms: plateau, coastal plain, plains, mountains, deserts and island. This is the table. Which landform is in number 1? It is mountain. So you are in the first column for number 1 you are going to write mountains. And what is the question? Is the landform found in India? Yes, it is found in India. Okay, in the north part of India we have the Himalayas. Such mountains are there. Second picture, the plains. Yes, we have the plains. They are towards the south of this northern mountains. Third picture, what did we see? Let us check out. Okay, so plateaus are found in the Deccan Plateau, whereas the desert is found in the western part of India. It's called as Thar Desert. We also have the islands, the Andaman Nicobar and the Lakshadweep Islands. Okay, they are in the southern part of the peninsula, whereas the coastal plains are on the either sides of the peninsula, right? We have to write them neatly in the box. Next, look at the pictures of the landforms once again. So first one is the mountains, Himalayas, in the northern side of India. Second one is the plains, which are on the southern part of the northern mountains. Third one is the desert, the Thar Desert, which is in the western part of our country. Fourth one is the plateau. The Deccan Plateau has many plateaus. Then fifth one is the coastal plains, the eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains on the either sides of our country, on either sides of the peninsula. And we have sixth one is the islands. We have the Lakshadweep Islands and the Andaman Nicobar Islands. So let us watch this video. What are these landforms? Do we find them in India? The landforms are mountains, plains, a desert, plateau, coastal plains, and islands. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all its sides. A coastal plain is a landform along the sea or ocean. All these landforms are found in India. So now let us look at this table. Which landform is it? It is mountain. Is it found in India? Yes. Plains, are they found in India? Yes. Desert? Yes. Plateau in India? Yes. Coastal plains in India? Yes. Islands in India? Yes. Okay. Now, where do we find these landforms in India? Himalayas or northern mountains are found in the north of India. Northern plains are found in the south of Himalayas, Deccan Plateau, south of northern plains, western coastal plains along the Arabian Sea, eastern coastal plains along the Bay of Bengal. Thar Desert is found in the northwest of Deccan Plateau, Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea, Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal. Right? Rita stays in a place in India that is hot and dry, while Sid lives in a flat plain near river Ganga. Which type of landform do they live in? How can you tell? Okay, if Rita stays in a place which is hot and dry, and Sid lives in a flat plain near river Ganga, they are staying near. Okay, Rita is living in Thar Desert, whereas Sid lives in the northern plains, as these plains are flat plains. Now, the physical features of India. Okay, put today's date and answer these questions. What are the physical features? Fill in the blanks with the choosing from the words in the brackets. A. So what is a hot and dry place where very few plants grow is known as a dash. Desert or a peninsula? It is a desert. B. A piece of land surrounded by water at all sides is an island or a peninsula? It's an island. C. A landform that is higher than the surrounding land and is known as a coastal plain or a plateau? It is a plateau. D. This is the highest landform. It is a mountain or plateau? It is a mountain. Then the second question. The picture shows a high mountain range of India. What is the name of this mountain range? It is the Himalayan mountain range, also known as the Northern Mountains. B. Where is it situated in India? It is situated in the northern part of India. C. Write one feature of the mountain range. It is covered with snow throughout the year. Okay. Question 3. Read the question 3. Lisa is planning to go to an area covered with snow, and Aman is planning to travel by camel across the sand. Which landforms of India are they planning to visit? Give reasons to your answer. Okay. If Lisa is planning to go to the area covered with snow, then she is going to the northern mountains, those are Himalayas. And Aman, if he is going to a land that is covered with sand, and if he wants to use the camel as his transport, then he is going to the Thar Desert, right? Let's move ahead. So, did we complete all the questions here? So, let us answer the practice questions in the textbook. Tick the correct sentence. India has 2 islands in the northern part of the country. No. India has two island groups but not on the northern part, they are in the southern part. So this statement is wrong. So we are not going to tick A. B. The northern plains lie in the south of Himalayas. That is true, because from the mountains, if you move towards the south, you can find the northern plains. C. The eastern Ghats are hill ranges in Thar Desert. That is wrong. Why? Because eastern Ghats are the hill ranges in the Deccan Plateau. Then second question, look at the political map of India in atlas. Find and write the names of 4 states that lie in Deccan Plateau region. So this is the activity which you have to do. We already know Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are 2 states in the lying in the Deccan Plateau. You find out the remaining states and you write in the political map of India. Third question, write one difference between coastal plains and the northern plains. Okay, coastal plains are alongside of a sea or ocean, whereas the northern plains are landlocked. Okay, and coastal plains, you can see that they are flat, and we have this western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains, whereas the northern plains we have in the north side. You read more from the textbook and you write the answer. So that's all for today, students. Thank you. Do the homework and